tight wrists or fingers, or having issues with painful typing? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Let's show you how to get rid of this issue. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the descriptions box. We appreciate your support. So, why are you in pain? Many times it's because your extrinsic or external muscles of your forearm and hands are being repetitively overused. These muscles technically aren't meant to have a lot of endurance. This is where your hand intrinsics will come into play. So let's get right into this easy demo. So we're gonna start with the fingers being curled like this. And we want to do is you're just gonna kind of do like finger push-ups. Basically, you're pressing it till it gets straight. And then as you're coming back, you're curling it one digit at a time. So we're gonna do this a couple times. You're gonna feel these small muscles in the palm of your hands. And so you're gonna do this probably for a good 60 seconds or so. Now, what you don't want to do is a lot of times when you're weak in your hand intrinsics, your fingers extend, or your parts of your fingers extend, these digits. So remember, you wanna curl one at a time. So it's one at a time, and then you come back. So just kind of a view without the other fingers is just basically you're curling it, and then you're pushing it straight, and you're curling it, and you're pushing it straight. So you're gonna do this with all fingers. Now, a lot of times you'll see like this pinky, for a lot of people, just kind of extends. So they'll look a little bit like this, and you don't want that little extension right here. And we'll get a close-up of that. So we're just trying to press. We've actually got an old video where we did a little rap. It was just for fun, years back, and we call it the finger press. So this is basically what we want to do. You want to push it, and you can do it narrow, you can do it wide. So you're just trying. This is what it looks like from the front on the top, but you don't want it, like I said, extend, and you're just going to go right into it. So, like I said, have fun with this one. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love and questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.